Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Speak English with Leo podcast. This is the place where we make learning English easy and fun. I am your host, Leo, and today is a beautiful day, and I have a wonderful friend here in the studio. Please welcome Anna.
Hi, Leo, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. I am so happy to be here today. The sun is shining, and I am feeling very chatty.
Feeling chatty. That is the perfect word, Anna. Listeners, chatty means you want to talk a lot. And if you want to learn how to be chatty in English, you are in the right place.
Before we start, if you love learning English with us, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a big like. It helps our channel grow, and it helps us make more fun lessons for you.
Yes, join our English family. We would love to have you. So, Anna, you said you were feeling chatty today, but I have to ask, are you always chatty? What happens when you are in a room full of strangers, people you don't know?
Oh, Leo, I have a secret. When I meet new people, especially in a new language, I am not chatty. I feel very shy. I want to stand in the corner and look at my phone. Meeting new people is scary.
You are not alone, Anna. Many English learners feel the exact same way. They think, what do I say? Or what if I make a mistake? And that makes them feel very nervous.
Yes.
But don't worry. Today, we have a plan. Today's topic is how to meet new people in English. We are going to give you the magic words to go from shy to friendly.
Ooh, magic words. I'm ready, Leo. Let's make some new friends.
All right, let's start with step 1. First, finding people to talk to. Anna, imagine this. I am at the park. It is a sunny day. I see a person walking a dog. It is a very cute, fluffy dog. What do I do?
Leo, dogs are the best. Dogs are friend magnets. You walk near them, you smile, and you say the magic sentence.
Okay, I got this. I walk up to the person and say, "Hello, I love you."
No, Leo, that is too fast. You will scare them away. You don't say I love you to a stranger.
Oops, my mistake. What should I say?
You look at the dog, you smile, and you say, "What a cute dog."
Ah, what a cute dog. That is simple and safe.
Yes, the person will smile and say, "Thank you. Now the door is open." Then you can ask a simple question like, "What is his name?" or "Is he friendly?"
That is a great strategy. People love talking about their pets.
Okay, the dog strategy is good for the park. But Leo, what about a party? Parties are terrifying. There are 50 people in a room. Where do I go?
Anna, listen to me very carefully. When you go to a party, there is one safe place. Go to the food table.
The food table? Why?
Because everyone loves food, and I love the food table. It is my favorite place. When you stand next to the cookies, you can use small talk.
Small talk. What does that mean, Leo?
Small talk is light, easy conversation. It is not about serious things like politics or money. It is just friendly chatting. For example, you look at the person next to you and say, "These cookies look delicious."
Oh, I see. Or I can ask, "Have you tried the cake?"
Exactly. It is low pressure. And then you introduce yourself. You say, "By the way, I'm Leo." And they will say, "Hi, Leo, I'm Anna." And then we use the classic phrase, "Nice to meet you."
Okay, so I said nice to meet you. But Leo, sometimes the conversation stops. There's an awkward silence. Like that. What do I do?
Don't panic. When there is silence, use a compliment.
A compliment. That means saying something nice about them, right?
Yes, you can say, "I like your shirt," or "That is a cool hat." People love compliments. It makes the energy positive again.
Okay, so I said hello, I know their name, I gave a compliment. Now we need to keep talking.
Yes, to keep talking, you need to find common ground.
Common ground, that means things we share, things that are the same?
Exactly. For example, you are at the same party. So you can ask, how do you know the host? The host is the person who invited us, right? The owner of the house? Correct. Or you can ask the most famous question in English. What do you do? Meaning, what is your job? Be curious. Ask questions.
Leo, let's talk about a harder situation, a coffee shop. People are reading or working on laptops. Can I talk to them?
You can, but you must be very polite. Before you sit down, ask, "Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?" If they say no, sit down quietly. Don't be too loud.
And what about my body language? If I look at the floor and cross my arms, do I look friendly?
No, you look sad or angry. You must sit up straight, look at their eyes, and smile. Your smile is your best tool.
But Leo, I have one big worry. What if I ask a question and they answer, but they speak too fast, like a race car? Vroom! I don't understand anything.
Don't run away. Use your magic survival phrases. Say, "Can you speak slower, please?" Or, "Sorry, I'm learning English. Can you repeat that?"
Will they think I am silly?
No. Native speakers think it is very cool. They will think, "Wow, Anna is brave. She is learning a new language." Be proud of your English. It is your tool to meet the world.
Wow, Leo, we shared so many good tips today. I feel much more confident.
I'm glad to hear that, Anna. Listeners, let's do a quick review. Let's see if you remember the magic phrases. Anna, I will say the situation, you say the phrase. Ready?
I am ready.
Situation 1. You are at the park and you see a cute dog.
I smile and say, "What a cute dog. What is his name?"
Situation 2. You are at a party standing by the food table.
I say, "These cookies look delicious. Have you tried the cake?"
Situation 3. There is an awkward silence and you need to say something nice.
I give a compliment. "I really like your shirt."
Situation 4. The person speaks too fast.
I say, "Sorry, I'm learning English. Can you speak slower, please?"
Situation 5. The conversation is over and you want to leave happily.
I say, "It was really nice meeting you."
Excellent job, Anna. And excellent job to our listeners. You are now ready. No more hiding in the corner with your phone.
Yes, no more corner life. That's right. Go to the park, find a dog, eat a cookie, and say hello. Remember, everyone wants a new friend. Just be kind, smile, and be curious.
We hope you feel brave today. Now, listeners, it is time for the question of the day.
We want to hear from you. Where is your favorite place to meet new people? Is it at the gym, at school, at a coffee shop? Tell us in the comments section below. We love reading your stories and answering your comments.
And please, if you enjoyed this podcast, subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Share this video with your shy friends so they can learn too.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Keep practicing your English. I'm Leo.
And I'm Anna.
See you next time. Goodbye.